Hi guys! Welcome back to Producer's Tips and Tricks by Mommy Cheryl. Now, here is my first unboxing of my recent find. And guess what's inside? Clue! It's from Baler. But thanks for online shops and I'm able to purchase this. Hindi ko na kailangan pumunta doon. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-travel at hindi ko na kailangan magpasabay. Tara, tignan natin. So here guys, ang aking na-purchase, Nanay Pasing's peanut butter, both creamy and crunchy flavors. Bakit both creamy and crunchy? Kasi yun ang isa pang secret sa pagsisave natin dito. Dahil if you buy the set, it's cheaper by 20 pesos. Okay? So instead of individually priced at 240, yung two flavors, ano na siya, 460. And aside from that, nag-use pa ako ng vouchers. Okay? And so both shipping and cashback vouchers. So nakasave pa ako. Imagine, all of these I just got it for 889 pesos. So instead of 240 per piece, naging 222.25 na lang. O di ba? Malaking saving siya. Oh. So ayan, may enjoy namin to. Favorite to kasi namin ng mga anak ko and ng husband ko ito. They like eating peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Yun lang. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. Bye!